Completed, done, finished, checked off. How awesome is that? Such an outstanding job.
It's worth every cent.
Every cent.
It's amazing. It's amazing, like, that we only chose this off photos, and yet to have it in person, it's like even better than you imagine.
It's like the quality of it, everything else. It looks like someone's gone into a shop. They have this fully fitted out, fully customized, cut, everything.
Yeah.
Like, you'd expect this to be like thousands and thousands of dollars worth of gear, but the fact that it's been, we've purchased it offline, got it delivered to us, and we've installed it, like, it's not
that's the
hard
other thing.
at all.
You get the feeling of the fact that you've built it yourself, even though you haven't built it, you've built it yourself. Like, there's nothing really cool in here that we don't understand, whereas if someone else did it, there's things we wouldn't understand. Yeah. Because we put it together. It's really cool.
It's, this is everything we wanted, like, super simple, super quick and easy.
But we didn't need to buy a jigsaw. Yeah,
the quality's there. Like, literally just a couple of spanners.
Yeah.
A couple of bolts, and away you go.
Let's check. Yeah. It's awesome. I'm so happy. This is like, it's awesome.
It is cool.
Yeah, have a look on their website. If you need more storage than what's here, they do have other options with the full caging and everything as well. But we like the low profile look where you've not got much in here, but you've got lots in here in a sense. So. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, we'll definitely give a good test out over the next coming months and whatnot, and really give it a good workout. As you guys know, we like to test our gear as much as possible. But definitely top quality gear. Give them a check out.
Thank you, Fourby Fitouts, for being amazing, and Jackie for all your help. It was really good, hey.